Buy this if you are a data-driven athlete light. You want professional-grade recovery and heart rate data without the 15-day expedition bulk of a Fenix. You have charging anxiety. You want a vibrant screen but refuse to charge your watch every single night. You value recovery as much as effort. The sleep coach and body battery features are the most accurate in the consumer market right now. Skip this if you want a mini phone. If replying to texts, using map apps, and having a deep app store is your priority, stay with Apple or Samsung. If you're a hardcore trail runner, the lack of built-in offline topographical maps, it only has breadcrumb navigation, makes it less ideal for deep backcountry use compared to the Forerunner 965 or Epix. And you want the best materials. At $450, the use of Gorilla Glass 3 and a plastic-heavy build feels less luxurious than its competitors.